The owner said that this Cignal TV box powers on, then shuts off after just a few seconds. Most people would assume it's a bad power supply or a damaged circuit board. Before replacing expensive parts, let's open it up and see what's really happening.
Or maybe it's just practicing dramatic exits. I'm on. Never mind, goodbye.
Sometimes the simplest problems are hiding in plain sight. Let's find out. Let's check if the adapter works normally.
There is 12 volts.
The adapter is good. Let's plug it in. It turns on. We'll see if it turns off automatically.
It turns off.
The TV box powers on normally, but after a few seconds it shuts itself off. This kind of issue can be caused by several things such as unstable power, overheating, failing components, or contamination on the circuit board.
So basically, it could be anything.
That's why we inspect first before replacing parts.
Translation: don't play guess the broken part. Your wallet won't appreciate it.
Let's open this TV box and check what the problem is inside. After removing the cover, we immediately noticed a heavy buildup of dust, which is a likely cause of the issue. Hopefully that's all it is, and no further troubleshooting will be necessary. Let's clean it.
Wow, that's not dust anymore. That's a family reunion.
Dust doesn't just look bad. Over time it can absorb moisture from the air and create leakage paths between electronic components. It can also trap heat, which may affect the normal operation of sensitive circuits.
So the poor TV box has been wearing a dirty winter jacket for years.
Let's plug it in again and check for voltages. All the voltages look normal. Let's wait for a while and see if it will turn off. It doesn't shut off after about 2 minutes. The issue may have been caused by dirt. Let's clean it thoroughly. Keeping electronics clean is part of preventive maintenance. For this repair, we'll carefully clean the PCB using lacquer thinner and a soft brush.
Why not use isopropyl alcohol?
We ran out of it, so we'll just use lacquer thinner for now.
Look at that. From abandoned warehouse to factory fresh.
Once the board is completely clean, allow it to dry thoroughly before applying power.
Translation: patience saves electronics and saves you from making the magic smoke come out.
Let's plug it in again and see if it will turn off. Let's observe it for about 5 minutes. The TV box has now stayed on continuously for several minutes without shutting down. So in this case, no components needed replacement. Cleaning the PCB solved the problem.
Imagine almost buying a new TV box when all it wanted was a good bath.
Proper diagnosis always comes before replacing parts. With the repair confirmed, we can now reassemble the TV box. Always make sure every screw is returned to its proper location and nothing is left inside.
Especially the screwdriver. Customers usually don't like free tools inside their gadgets.
This repair reminds us that not every electronic problem requires replacing components. Sometimes proper inspection and thorough cleaning are all it takes.
Moral lesson: before blaming the electronics, check if they're just living in a dust apocalypse.
And for beginners and DIY enthusiasts, remember this: diagnose first, clean carefully, and replace parts only when necessary.
Because the best repair isn't the most expensive one, it's the correct one.
If this tutorial helped you learn something new, please hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next repair.
Good day, and thank you for watching.